Now, if you'll remember a week or two ago I said I was working on a clock. Well, here's the fake. It took me several attempts to get this painted, but it's fake stained glass. As you can see, the light will come through it. Well, you can't really tell now, but it lets light through it. This is the clock face. It took me several weeks to get right. Now I gotta tap it back out because the center of it doesn't seem to have a hole anymore. Tap this back out. I really need a GoPro. I should really get a GoPro or something. There we go. There we go. Now I can put my clock hands through it. Next I'll be assembling this. The actual clock. Pardon the snowblower. It's the actual clock. Face goes up in here, of course, and it has a light for the back. It's made out of oak. Solid oak screwed together. The top, be using this one. Looks something like this. I have to put another board, but that's going to be the top. Spindles. Spindles will go up there somewhat like that. It'll go in there like that. I need to probably drill it down a little further, but this should fit under here, under this, and it'll look kind of like this. Spindles front and back. It'll look kind of like that with the stained glass face in it. But I need to work on that in a future video. I'm trying to get this done tonight though. And then I'll have spindles in the back, of course. Hopefully this camera picks all this up. Then you get shelves in the middle, and then the door down below will be painted somewhere around here. This monstrosity of a mess.